This program is sponsored by BPL Happy Little Things.
नमस्कार, I'm Vilas Sitarkar, Headmaster Dr. K.B. Edgewar High School, Kujera Bamuli. At the outset, I give wishes of Teachers' Day to all the teacher community in the state of Goa. Today, I received an award from the Directorate of Education, Government of Goa, and I dedicate this award or this success to all my dedicated team of teachers, all the parents, and my school management and the school students. Actually, the growth of Edgewar High School, what we see today, was a very tough journey for all of us. We have started high school in the year 1996 with 27 students, and today we are a full-fledged institution with 1,500 plus strength. Initially, it was a very tough time to maintain the minimum required strength, and with the help of parents, all the teachers, we could organize various activities, we could do a lot of things for the students, and the hard work of the teachers and the students has shown this day, wherein we are in a position wherein we can guide other institutions, other students, other educational institutions in the state of Goa. We have achieved 100% results for board exams for last 15 years, and it is not just 100% result, but it is a qualitative result wherein we have shown quality improvement every year. Another achievement is in the field of science projects. Our students have shown consistently won the prizes in the science project exhibition. It may be Western India Science Fair or the national level, Jawaharlal Nehru Science Fair, or Indian Science Congress, or it may be international level. Wherever we have presented our projects, we have won the prizes, and it is the success of the collective work, the teamwork which has been shown by all the stakeholders in the institutions. We have achievements in the field of art, culture, sports also. We have achievements at state level, national level, and at the international level. Our Atal Tinkering Lab, that ETL, is one of the among the top 100 institutions, 100 ETLs at the national level. And we have performed consistently well for last 4 years, because we were in the first list of the 257 schools which were given the ETL at the initial level. And we have various projects, out of 3 projects out of which are already patented. So that was again an achievement, a school level students doing a projects, and it goes up to the product level wherein we get a patent for that such projects. One of the project was selected by Niti Aayog to interact with Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and that was again a big achievement for the institution. Our future plans are in the lines with the National Education Policy. National Education Policy stress on the 21st century learning, that is learning various skills, especially artificial intelligence, machine learning, project or 3D printing, robotics, design thinking. All this has been already the part of our curriculum, and we are sure that in the coming 5 to 10 years we will able to make a sizable impact in this field with the help of our students and the ex-students. And this whatever activities we do, we have not restricted it only to our institutions. I am been part of the Goa Headmaster Association, who has played a very important role in my development, and and we work there collectively, working together, growing together. That is the concept in which we work in the Goa Headmaster Association. And we want all the students from Goa to get benefit of all such activities, because we extend all such activities and try to give the benefits to the other schools in the state of Goa. So once again, I thank all my parents, all the ex-students, because initially they showed faith in us, because at that time our school was not known to anything, but the parents shown us faith, and that's why we have reached to this stage today. So I thank all the parents, all the students, my management, because working together as a team with the management, teachers, parents and the students, that is what we have done for last many years. And once again I thank all of you.
Namaskar. My name is Avinash Dattaram Girnodkar from Bala Bharati Vidya Mandir, Raibandar, teaching art subject since last 30 years. This state award make me feel good. It is an acknowledgement of a job done and hard work that went into winning. I feel proud and happy. It gives me a validation and boosted my confidence. I feel it happened only because of support given to me by the management, Manipal Academy of Health and Education, headmistress Mrs. Apollonia Fernandez, staff, my friends, Mr. Vajay sir and Dilesh sir, and my family. In my opinion, online learning has its own set of positive and negatives. For example, teachers are able to become an efficient educator by providing number of tools such as videos, PDFs, etc. It allows students to attend classes from any location of their choice. So, accessibility of time and place. On the other side, for many students, it's a big challenge to continue focus on the screen for a longer periods of time. Other challenge of online classes is internet connectivity or technical issues. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Chandralekha Damodar Mistry, working as teacher grade 1 at Sri Nirakar Education Society's Satyavati Soiru Angle High Secondary School, Mashe, Kankon, Goa. I have 21 years of teaching experience. I have participated in several teaching aid project competition for teachers and won 16 prizes at state level. 3 teaching aids won prizes at the national level. 19 science projects under my guidance won state level prizes, and 12 science projects represented Goa at the national level. 3 projects won Best in Goa award. I have been organizing several awareness campaigns for my students and for the society. I have been participating in several workshop and training programs at state level and at national level. I have been working as resource person to train students and teachers from Goa and training them on various topics. I have been continuously writing in the newspapers on various topics. This year I had applied for State Teachers Award, and I'm very excited and happy to announce that I have received this award. I thank my family, management of Sri Nirakar Education Society, Government of Goa, my friends and all my well-wishers for recognizing my efforts and awarding me this prestigious award. Last year had been a very difficult situation for all the teachers. As a teacher, and since I teach in a remote village where network is the issue, connectivity is the issue all the time, many students were not able to avail the online teaching facilities. As a teacher, I never took it as a hurdle, but I accepted it as a challenge. I tried and found different means of reaching out to my students and imparting quality education without having any hurdles on our way. Challenges do come in our life. I want my students to learn one thing, that we must not say trouble and hardship, but everything we have to take as a challenge and try to overcome it. When I win this award, I want to motivate my students to win several such awards in their career. So once again, thank you one and all.
नमस्कार, मी श्री दिलीप तुकोजी महामल, सरकारी प्राथमिक विद्यालय चावदेवाडा पारसे पेडणे गोवा या शाळेत शाळा प्रमुख म्हणून कार्यरत आहे. तर सन 2020-21 चा राज्य शिक्षक पुरस्कार यावर्षी मला मिळाला, याबद्दल मला खूप आनंद वाटला. कारण गेल्या 20 वर्षामध्ये मी जे जे उपक्रम केले, जे जे प्रकल्प राबविले, त्याची पोचपावती मला मिळाली. तर या शाळेमध्ये काम करत असताना माझी ऊर्जा म्हणजे माझे विद्यार्थी, पालक, शाळेतील सहकारी शिक्षक आणि परिसरातील शिक्षक, अधिकारी आहे. तर असं म्हटलं जातं की तलवारीच्या पात्यापेक्षा मूठ महत्वाची असते. मुठीवरच्या पकडीवर जिद्द असेल तर तलवारीच्या पात्याला अधिक धार येते. तर या 20 वर्षाच्या प्रदीर्घ काळामध्ये मी जिद्दीनं चिकाटीनं काम केलं, कारण चिकाटीमध्ये यश चिकटलेलं असतं आणि म्हणूनच या शाळेमध्ये मी चिकाटीनं काम केलं. या गावाला, पारसे गावाला ऐतिहासिक पार्श्वभूमी आहे. त्यामध्ये गोवा मुक्ती संग्रामामध्ये कैलासवासी भानुदास कोळजी यांचं योगदान असेल किंवा परिसरातील चारी, बुगडे, गवंडी या कुटुंबांचं योगदान असेल, तर ही संपूर्ण ऐतिहासिक माहिती मी वाचून माझ्या विद्यार्थ्यांना एक ऐतिहासिक नाट्यछटा तयार करून पालकांची वाहवा मिळवली होती. तसेच या भागामध्ये जे ऐतिहासिक स्थळं जी आहेत त्यांना भेटी देऊन मी विद्यार्थ्यांना माहिती दिली. गावातील शेतकरी असेल, गावातील इतर मूर्तिकार असेल, तर त्यांना सुद्धा मी माझ्या शाळेमध्ये आमंत्रित करून विषय तज्ज्ञ म्हणून त्यांच्याकडून सुद्धा मुलांना माहिती देण्याचा मी प्रकल्प राबवला होता. हल्लीच कोरोनाच्या काळामध्ये आम्ही शिक्षक वर्गाने मेहनतीने त्यांना कार्यपत्रके देऊन, त्यांच्या अडचणी सोडवून, त्यांच्या वैयक्तिक पातळीवर भेटी घेऊन त्यांना शैक्षणिक अडचणी त्यांच्या आम्ही सोडवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. भगवतीच्या मंदिराखाली जे अगरशाळा आहे तिथे सुद्धा इयत्ता 4थी साठी खास आम्ही पालकांच्या सहकार्याने प्रशिक्षण वर्ग घेतले होते. तर या शाळेमध्ये मी औषधी वनस्पतीची बाग तयार करण्याची संकल्पना राबवली. त्यानंतर डॉक्टर सलीम अली इको क्लब याच्या अंतर्गत मी निसर्ग, पशु पक्षी आणि विज्ञान यांचा समतोल कसा असतो ही संकल्पना राबवण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. आणखी विविध योजना असतील त्याही यशस्वीरित्या करण्याचं मी मनोपूर्वक प्रयत्न केला. शाळेतील बोलक्या भिंती, क्रिएटिव्ह आर्ट्स पेंटिंग तयार केलं, चांगली व्यवस्था, या सर्व सुविधा मुलांना देण्यासाठी आम्ही शिक्षक वर्गाने प्रयत्न केला. यासाठी वेळोवेळी आम्हाला कौतुकाची थाप आम्हाला मिळत गेली, ऊर्जा मिळाली आणि त्यामुळेच अशा प्रकारचं यश आमच्या पदरी आलं असं मला वाटतं. धन्यवाद.
I am Mrs. Elva Bata Norana, Assistant Teacher of Government High School, Bali. As a teacher for 31 years, I have always given my best to all my students without any discrimination. In the academic and co-curricular activities, I have always been a friend, a guide to my students, rather than a teacher, and have always been able to bring out my students' talent. Today I'm very happy and blessed for achieving this state award. First, I would like to thank the Almighty God for all these blessings He has put on me. The credit goes first to my students, my headmistress, my ex-headmasters, my ex-headmistresses, all my teachers, my non-teaching staff, PTA members, all my friends for cooperating with me and helping me to achieve this award today. During the pandemic, teaching process was very challenging for all of us. It was shifted to virtual mode. I took this challenge very positively and started scrubbing my talent from all sides. Being a teacher and a facilitator of remote students, I prepared my both online and offline teaching. I also visited homes of weaker students and checked their books and corrected them. Created concept-based videos when time and syllabus was tackled very innovatively. Thank you.
Mahadev Shinde, working in the field of special education last 2 decades. Today, I am very happy for the selection of State Teacher Award. This award will play a vital role in my upcoming activities. I am thankful to the Department of Education for motivating with the State Teacher Award to do the better performance. I have reformed special education in innovative way which fulfills individual differences and special needs. My teaching process involves the individually planned and systematically monitored. Last 8 years, I have published 9 special workbooks, which are very useful during this pandemic for special children. My interventions are designed to help individuals with special needs. I have initiated concepts like reinforcement, literature for parents, computer and tablet based learning, home visits, yogasan, therapeutics, homebound training program, activity based learning, and parents' participation in the class. I have assisted in setting up a new special schools in Goa state and introduced the sports like bocce, mini javelin, floor hockey, and floorball. Along with all this, I was coach the India floor hockey team and won 4 gold, 1 bronze medal in the World Games in Austria 2017. I have tried therapeutic activities with many cerebral palsy children and the most of benefited and one of them walking independently. I have trained special children in dance, drama, drill, art, craft, and brought laurels for the schools and state. I am providing the training of sports to participate in state, national, and international and won the medals for the country, state, and school. I have introduced the product for the vocational like candle in coconut shell and Diwali package.
I'm Mrs. Rupa Sanjay Prabhu Kope, Principal of Vasantrao Thempo Higher Secondary School of Arts, Science and Commerce. At the outset, I'm very grateful to the state government, my parents, my stakeholders, management, students, teachers, and all of them, I could achieve this award. I was asked a question, how you managed in pandemic. I have done a lot. I have tried to do a lot of things for the school in making the children competent and all otherwise. But during pandemic, it was a great challenge. म्हाका अशें दिसलें की म्हज्या भुरग्यांक इतले प्रॉब्लेम्स आशिल्ले. म्हजी भुरगीं सगळीं गांवांतली, खेडेगांवांतली, त्यांची आर्थीक परिस्थिती इतली नाशिल्ली की ते मोबायल घेवन शिकू शकता आशिल्ले. तांची घरां अशी व्हॅली भितर जायत इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटीच पावनाशिल्ली. अशा वेळार तांचे खातीर आमी कशें करचें, कितें करचें? 7 ते 8 भुरगीं तांचे पेरंट्स दे लॉस्ट देयर लायफ्स आनी अशा सगळ्या कंडिशनान त्या दुख्खान म्हाका फक्त मनान फक्त म्हज्या भुरग्यांचो विचार आशिल्लो. हांवें तांच्या खातीर टॅबलेट्स तांकां दिल्यो. आमी सगळ्या पेरंटांनी मेळून, टिचर्स आनी पेरंटांनी मेळून तांकां टॅबलेट्स दिल्यो. तांच्या आवय बापायन, तांच्या फॅमिलीक मेडिसिन्स, तांचे कडेन वॉट्सॅप ग्रूप घेवन तांचे कडेन उलोवप, तांचे प्रॉब्लेम्स विचारप. आनी थोड्या भुरग्यांक तर मोबायलाचेर शिकूंकूच जायनासलें. दोळ्याचे प्रॉब्लेम, शारिरीक प्रॉब्लेम, मानसीक प्रॉब्लेम. घरांतलें वातावरण अशें आशिल्लें की तांचें शिक्षण कशेंच जावपाची शक्यता नाशिल्ली. म्हणून आमी तांकां कॉलेजान हाफोवन थोड्याच भुरग्यांक सोशल डिस्टन्सींग दवरून तांच्या खातीर हांवें स्पेशल कोचिंग, स्पेशल टिचर्स आमी अपॉयंट केले. आनी अशे तरेन तांचो खूब सुंदर रिजल्टय लागलो. आनी ती खूब प्रेम, म्हणजे म्हाका अशें दिसता की लव, केअर एंड वेलफेअर एंड अ कंपॅशनेट हार्ट यू कॅन डू अ लॉट. आनी प्रिंसिपलाच्या चेरार बसतकच खूपच गोष्टी आपल्या हातान आसतात. आमी समाजा खातीर कितलेशेच करूं शकता. प्रिंसिपल इज नॉट अ चेअर पर्सन. चेअर इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टंट. Person on the chair is important. And if that principal has a compassionate and a kind heart and I can empathize with people, then only he can make a difference to the world. Thank you.
नमस्कार, म्हजें नांव विद्या कृष्णा माळशेकर. म्हाका अनुराधा कृष्णा माळशेकर म्हणून खुबशे लोक वळखता. हांव गव्हर्मेंट हायस्कूल वाळपय हांगा गेल्ली 11 वर्सां शिकयता. हिंदी आनी मराठी हो विशय शिकयता. राज्य पुरस्कार म्हाका प्राप्त जालो त्या खातीर म्हाका खूब उमेद दिसता. कित्याक तर हो जो पुरस्कार म्हाका प्राप्त जालो तो हांवें ज्या भुरग्यांक शिकयले त्या भुरग्यां खातीर म्हाका हो पुरस्कार प्राप्त जाल्लो आसा. हे सगळे भुरग्यां खातीर जाल्ले आसा. आनी आतां गेल्ले वर्सा सावन कोवीड महामारीच्या काळा खातीर आमकां ऑनलायन क्लासी घेवच्यो पडटा. खुबश्या भुरग्यां कडेन मोबायल ना. तांकां आमी घरा वचून शिकयता. तांकां जे कितें दिवपाचें आसता, अभ्यास दिवपाचो आसता तो आमी घरा वचून प्रत्येक भुरग्याच्या दिता. आनी त्याच बरोबर तेंच्यांनी तो केला पूर्ण काय ना हे आमी परत घरा वचून पळयता. खुबशे प्रॉब्लेम आसा भुरग्यां मदें की ज्या भुरग्याचे आवय बापूय काम करना त्या भुरग्यांक मोबायल घेवपाक मेळना. अशा भुरग्यांक काही भुरग्यांक हांवें मदत केल्ली आसा. आनी तांकां कितलेशे वर्सां जालीं हांव नोटबूक, पुस्तकां हें जें कितें आसा हेज्या खातीर हांव तांकां मदत करतां. जे भुरगे स्कुलां येवपाक तयार जायना त्या भुरग्यांक घरा वचून हांव तेंच्या आवय बापायक कन्विन्स करून त्या भुरग्यांक हांव आमच्या शाळेंत घेवन येता. तेंचें एडमिशन करता. त्याच बरोबर बाकीच्या स्कुलांनी जे 9वेक भुरगे फेल जाताले ते भुरगे आमच्या स्कुलान येताले. त्या भुरग्यांक आमी वेवस्थीत शिकोवन आमी त्या भुरग्यांक 10वी पर्यंत पास करताले. अशें आमचें शैक्षणीक कार्य चालू आसा.
नमस्कार, हांव विवेकानंद कृष्ण प्रभुगांवकर, सरकारी प्राथमीक शाळा माडली पैंगी. ह्या वर्साचो गोवा राज्य शिक्षक पुरस्कार 2020-21 म्हाका मेळ्ळें म्हण म्हाका ह्या टायमाक खूबच खूश भोगता. हो पुरस्कार म्हाका मेळ्ळो ताजें पुराय श्रेय हांव म्हज्या शाळेची भुरग्यां, पालक, गांवकरी, म्हाका शिकोवपी शिक्षक तशेंच म्हजे आई बाबा हांकां समर्पीत करता. शैक्षणीक पार्श्वभूमी एकदमच कमी आशिल्ल्या गांवगिऱ्या वाठारांतल्या शाळेंत शिकोवपाचें आव्हान स्विकारतना हांवें अनुभवांतल्यान शिक्षणाची शिकवणी दिवपाचो प्रामाणीक प्रयत्न केलो. म्हजी शाळा अतिशय दुर्गम आनी ग्रामीण भागाक आशिल्ल्यान सततची लायटीची समस्या आनी त्याच बरोबर मोबायल सुविधाचो अभाव असली समस्या म्हाका निर्माण जाल्यो. आनी ह्या पॅन्डेमीक काळांत हांवें भुरग्यां पर्यंत पावता आसतना ऑफलायन पद्दतीन पालकांचो विश्वास आजच्या ह्या आनंदाच्या क्षणात हांव गोवा सरकार शिक्षण खातें तसेच समग्र शिक्षा अभियानाचो खूब उपकारी आसा. धन्यवाद.
I'm Sindhu Prabhudesai, Vice Principal of Government Multipurpose Higher Secondary School, Margao. I'm privileged and honored that I have been conferred the State Award for Teachers. I thank the Honorable Governor of the State, Honorable Chief Minister of Goa, respected officials of the Directorate of Education for recognizing my efforts as an educational leader. I had the privilege of leading two esteemed institutions from the state, Government High School Malkarne Kepe, which is located in a very remote part of the state, and Government Multipurpose High Secondary School Margao, which is situated in the heart of Margao city. Both the institution with unique identity and distinct challenges. During my tenure of 5 years as the school head, we have won 3 national awards conferred to us by Ministry of Education, Government of India and Myriad State Awards. Last year I was conferred the National Award for Teachers by the Honorable President of India. As I've already mentioned, I had the privilege of leading 2 esteemed institutions from the state. To talk about Government High School Malkarne, limited access to basic commodities of contemporary life like public transport, gadgets, modes of communication, lack of awareness about personal hygiene, sanitation was a very challenging state of Malkarne village. To talk about Government Multipurpose High Secondary School, our higher secondary has highest number of students and the staff members as compared to the other government higher secondaries in the state. Students come from varied socio-economic background. Need for upgradation in the infrastructure, lack of awareness about the advancement in pedagogy, dearth of knowledge about the latest resources was a very challenging state at Multipurpose High Secondary School. I'm glad that we could overcome many of these hurdles with our planned strategies. To talk about the innovative practices, we are the pioneers in many innovative projects in the state. Setting up of digital library, promotion of menstrual health management, setting up of customized compost pit to decompose biodegradable waste, introduction to graffiti to create learning walls, venturing into e-administration, and the latest one is the new educational model that the school had proposed during lockdown, the key points of which were taken up by NCRT. I thank the principal, staff members, Parent-Teachers Association, parents, students and other stakeholders associated with Government Multipurpose High Secondary School for their cooperation and support. To talk about my future plans, looking forward to contribute to the major reforms in the education system that the National Education Policy has envisaged. Thank you.
This program was sponsored by BPL, Happy Little Things.